Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset camera on Samsung Galaxy A05 Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all, just tap on your camera icon on your device. Okay, when you tap on camera, you can see a new interface on your screen just like that. Here at the top left of the screen you can see a gear icon or a setting icon. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen. You can see on your screen. Okay, just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of reset setting. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new pop-up window you can see on your screen just like that. Here just tap on reset. When you tap on reset, you can see your camera setting is reset. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.